Hey guys, Rapid Start 12 here, back at it again with another lighting video. And today I'm real quick just gonna show you some recent finds from today. So today we decided to hit up a new ReStore that I've never ever been to before. So it was the ReStore in Zephyrhills, Florida. Never been to this ReStore before until today. So, I was hoping to find some interesting stuff there, but let me tell you, I really wasn't very impressed. The ReStore was nice. Nothing wrong with the ReStore itself. It's just the lighting selection was really bad. I didn't really see much of anything of interest save for a couple things which you see here. Most of the stuff was just modern junk that I'm not interested in. Really a lot of LED junk there. The oldest things there appeared to be from the 1990s. Most of it was made in the past 10 years. So, not a very good ReStore for lighting or electrical stuff. The lighting section was not that great. The electrical section was dry as a bone, so definitely won't be going back there anytime soon, but I did find a couple interesting things there. So, anyway, let's stop talking and get into this stuff here on the screen. We'll start with this thing, which is the only thing that I can't use quite yet or turn on. It's this ballast. Now at first you might think this is a regular ballast for a F40T12 lamp or whatever, but no, upon closer inspection it's for a single F42T6. That's right, the rare F42T6. I'm going to try and get a better shot of it here for you so that I don't have to keep using all of my strength to lift this heavy magnetic ballast. But anyway, it's the Advance SM125S1TP for a single F42T6 slimline ballast. So, high power factor, sound rated C, so not the quietest ballast ever, but I'm sure it's not too bad. It's got the, mid-90s to late or mid-2000s looking label here. And upon closer inspection, on the bottom, where is it? Here it is. It appears to have been made sometime around 1999, if that means June 1999. The label appears to be from 1997, but I could be totally wrong about all that. But it's definitely from that sort of era. But yeah, it was kind of expensive. It was $8. But I thought, it's a rare ballast. Might as well get it. Maybe it'll come in handy. And it's super cool because it's not the most common ballast either. So that was the ballast. It's a magnetic ballast too, so very good ballast find. Here we have two CFLs which are exactly the same. They are energetic, 15 watt, warm white, R30 CFLs. They were only 99 cents and they're not too bad of CFLs, so I thought I might as well get them. Got 2 of them. Just a regular old Flood CFL helical. Let's peel off the tag on one of these. And we are going to turn it on because I have my socket here over off the screen. So we'll just get this tag off. There we go. And we'll screw it in. These could be instant start. They could be resonant start. I don't know what they're going to be, but we'll turn it on in 3, 2, 1. And it's instant start. Now I'm not going to wait for it to warm up. Looks like it has quite a ways to go. It's even glowing like pink. Yeah, typical dim startup Flood CFL, or I'm going to turn it off from here. So yeah, got 2 of those. Excellent deal on those. And then here is one of those annoying bags. I got this one because this seemed to be the best bag of bulbs that they had there. It has quite a few CFLs of interest in it, some of less interest than others. This one in particular, not very interesting. But all the other ones seem to have some kind of interest to them, at least for me. So let's see what we got. Here we have a very well used Sylvania 13 watt helical. It's got a pretty small ballast. Very well used. We have a GE helical 20 watt. This one might be resonant start. I don't know. Helical CFL. Another GE. This one, a 9 watt. You can't even see that, can you? Ugh, darn camera won't focus. But it's a 9 watt A19 CFL. It's pretty nice. Here we have a little Philips. Let me focus on it. 9 watt. This one's very small. Here it is in the palm of my hands. Yeah, pretty small. I'm surprised by how small it is. Here's the one that's not very interesting. It's an Envision branded, but it's just a boring old TCP, and it's used too. So, this was definitely the least interesting CFL. I have plenty of those TCP. And then here is an IKEA 11 watt standard like stick CFL. So I'm gonna turn some of these on. Let's start with this one, I suppose. It's got a little use on it, but not too bad. And I will almost guarantee you this is gonna be resonant start. So let's turn it on and see. I think it was rapid start. And the blackening definitely looks a lot worse now, but still works, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's not resonant start, it's rapid start, but at least I think it was rapid start. I think out of the corner of my eye I saw like a split-second dim looking, you know. Let's try the boring one out, see if it works. It's got some use, but I wouldn't say it's too bad. Of course, instant start once again. Oh, I take that back again. It's glowing blue. But it works. Okay. There's that one. We'll try this Sylvania one next, I suppose. I don't know if this one's going to work or not. It looks very yellow there. It works. it's instant start. I don't know what's going on down there. Very well used. This one looks like one of those that takes absolutely forever to warm up as well, so we're not going to wait for it. We'll try this one next. This one's really interesting to me because it's very small. Instant start. It seems to have started pretty much at full brightness. That's nice. I like that. Yeah. I really like this one, actually. I like how small it is. It's smaller than a 40-watt incandescent bulb. We'll try this guy next. Might be resonant start, might be instant start. Let's try it. Does it not work? Are you kidding me? Power strip wasn't on. Oh, it does work. Power strip wasn't on. It's instant start. That's too bad, but again, oh, it's even striating. Yeah, that thing's gonna take forever to warm up. And then finally, we have this one. This one might be resonant start. I don't know. Let's try it. Instant start again. Striating again. Yep. Definitely one of those that takes its time to warm up. Looks like it might have some use, but not too bad, if I'm being honest. Well, we'll rearrange some stuff here so you can see it all laid out very nicely. Well, those were my lighting finds from today from a new ReStore. Not the best ReStore ever, but not too bad, to be honest. Well, there you have it. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.